So your corporate email stops working and you suspect it has something to do with a DNS change that someone just made. You go to the domain provider and scroll through the records, but there's no history of the previous values. What do? Let me show you what a ResourceIT user would do. Simply open Domains, select the domain in question, and click the Sync button. This goes out to the domain provider, whether that's DigitalOcean, Route 53, Cloudflare, or wherever your records are, and does a comparison of what's at the domain provider with what we have on file. In this case, we see everything matches, so let's check the audit log. We'll open the audit log and see that a change was made recently. We'll open the change and see there's a typo. We simply copy the old value, go to the domain record, and paste the old value. Save it and sync it with the provider. Once the change propagates, your email will start working again. So if you need to better manage your DNS records to ensure email deliverability, manage records across multiple providers, automatically scan for configuration errors, or simply want an undo button for all your changes, check out dnsundobutton.com.